To create the alarm clock on Samsung Galaxy A05, first we'll need to open our clock app. Then navigate to alarm, and right here we'll be able to press on this plus button, and here we can create our alarm. So we can change the hour when it should ring. Then we can choose days when it should ring also. I'm gonna select every day. Then we can assign a name to this alarm. Next is alarm sound. You can also turn it off to have a vibration only, or vice versa. You can turn off vibrations to have only sound. And you can change the sound by clicking on it like this. Then you can pick a source, either your Spotify or ringtone. And if you decide on ringtone, then you can choose whichever one you like. You can click on the plus button to add a custom sound if you like as well. So next is a snooze, and this will, if you change this, you can set how long the snooze will actually last, and we can also change how many times it will repeat. And I'm gonna go with 5 times. Then we can switch our alarm background. And select, for example, let's go with this screenshot, and I want this to be my background for this alarm. And we have set everything. Now we can just click on save, and the alarm will be created right here.